Gentlemen, welcome to Heads Up Tackle. Obviously, the reason why we're here, we need to find a better way to teach the tackle. It's the biggest thing facing our game right now. And we as coaches are the very front line in facing this issue. How can we make the game safer and how can we make the game better? The first step for us is to teach the tackle the best possible way we can. The Heads Up Tackle system has 5 fundamentals. Each of these fundamentals are the things we talk about that we name and we teach. The first one is the breakdown position, right? This is the fundamental body position for all football movement. Our kids have to be able to get into these positions. They have to be able to understand the stance, they have to be understand leverage. After that, we move to buzz, right? We talk about buzzing the feet. We don't talk about breaking down, right? We don't want our players to sit there not moving, broke down, not working. We want to continually gain ground towards the ball carrier at all times. So we talk about buzzing the feet. Right before the tackle, our players learn the hit position. The most important part of the entire step is the hit position, the body position you want to be in right before the moment of impact. If we want to make a great tackle, we have to be in a great position. When it comes to actually generating force and executing the tackle, we talk about the rip. And the rip is the term we use for our arm movement. It's knuckles up, it's elbows down, it's double uppercuts. This is the powerful upper body movement which will help to bring the head up and away from the tackle by bringing the upper body with it. The other important thing about this is it's not wrap. When players try to wrap, they have a tendency to reach. They have a tendency to bend at the waist. They get out. And we all know what happens when we bend at the waist. We put ourselves in a bad position for our head, a bad position for our spine. When I move up and out of the way, that gives me the contact point in the tackle of the top of my numbers. The front of my shoulder and the top of my numbers. This is my strike zone. So my head is not the lead point. Finally, the lower body. We talk about shoot. Shoot is a term we say for the quick, explosive opening of the hips. So when I'm in my crouch loaded position, I open my hips as explosively as possible. That generates power through the tackle that allows me to go forward. Those 5 fundamentals are the basic of every tackle we make. And every missed tackle we have can be brought back to those fundamentals. You cannot teach the tackle using bite the ball anymore. Heads up football, heads up tackle is the way we're going to move this game forward and the way we're going to make this game safer. We have to teach tackle with the right terminology, keeping our head up, and that's how we have to tell our players to do it. So it's heads up football from now on.